Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I will be showing you how I make my noodles. So first I've put water. I'll make the water to boil very well. Then I'll add my olive oil. So I will add a little salt. So stir it together. So I'm gonna add my noodles. I'm gonna add water to cover it. So while we wait for the noodles to cook very well, so this is my gizzard which I'm gonna use for the noodles. Is washed. I've cleaned them already, as you can see. It's being cleaned. So now I'm gonna add my seasoning. So I've had my onion. So I'm gonna add a little salt. And I will add my chili. I'm gonna add oil to my pot. I'll make it very hot. I'm gonna add my garlic. My onion. I'll add my gizzard. So I'll add my green tea. So I'm gonna add my noodles. So I'm gonna add parsley leaf. So guys, my noodles is ready, as you can see. So I'm gonna just put some parsley leaves. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I love you all. Bye.